I used to carry butterflies in my hair, crispy light, invigorating the air like fresh pink peony on a summer day. When you said it's the end, I did not comprehend, flickering everywhere. I could not simply bury them. Unmercifully, you forced them into one big sack, drowned them in a deep, muddy well.